Got the old pink one. Black interior. Barracuda. Such a Cuda right there as well. And a newer SRT8 Hellcat. And we got this one here. We got a Plymouth Guess Fury, but probably wrong. Let's see. Plymouth Belvedere. Okay, I'm not sure what that one is, but it's alright. It's got a picture of itself, I guess, when it was new. MSD ignition, or distributor. Ignition coil. Little Red Express. I know at one point they were one of the fastest trucks, if not the fastest truck. 440 big block on a short wheelbase. But this is basically what, my Ram Charger is going to be. Short wheelbase Dodge truck with a 512 big block. Might even do some stacks just to make it look like it.